Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about section 5.2, 5.2, chapter 5, which is mitosis and cytokinesis. From the last section we know that the structure of the chromosomes, each chromosome is composed of two chromatids. As you can see, these two chromatids connected together by midpoint called centromere or centromer, and this chromosome carried the DNA, which includes sequence of our genes or genetics materials. And in case of no cell division, the chromosomes is not appears in its shape, but it's called chromatin network. As you can see, these threads, yellow threads, and as a result of the cell division, the chromatin network will condense and form chromosomes, and we will study these changes during the mitosis division. Before we explain the mitosis division, I just want from you to know that this part, interphase, mitosis, cytokinesis, explain the stages through which the cell passes to produce new cells, and these new cells must be identical to the old cells or the original cells, identical in the structure, in size, in shape, in function, all of this. So let's start with all of this explained before your quarter 2 exam, okay? The structure of chromosome. Firstly, mitosis division, first stage, prophase or first phase. What happened during this one? I just want from you to know the figure of each division or of each phase of the division and the steps which occurred during this phase. We said it before, the division of mitosis occurs inside body cells, and body cells means the cells which have the total number of chromosomes or diploid cells, and this type of mitosis producing cells identical to the old cells. Let's start with the first phase, prophase. Pro means first, prophase means first phase. And before talking about the prophase, you must know that the mitosis division just for the passes of the chromosomes from the old cells to the producing cells or the new cells. It is not related sorry, it is not related to the organelles. It includes the division of the nucleus for passing chromosomes from parent cell or original cell to the new cells. So pay attention, please. Firstly, the chromatin network condense. Again, first step of prophase, chromatin network condense, so the chromosome appears, but not clearest 100%. you can notice the shape of chromosomes, which is the X letter shape, which composed of two chromatids, just in the second phase, which is metaphase. But the beginning of the formation of chromosomes includes two chromatids just at the end of the prophase. And then after the contents of the chromatin for the formation of chromosomes, the nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane disappear, and then the nucleus disappear or breaks down. So someone of you asked me, teacher, why and how the nucleus and nuclear membrane breaks down or disappear? And you said that the accurate meaning of division is the nuclear division. So nucleus must be divided. So how it is divided in case of disappearing of it? Nucleus is organelle composed of four parts: nucleolus, nucleosome or nucleoplasm, nuclear membrane, and the chromatin network. Again, nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane, and fluid called nucleoplasm or nucleosome, and nucleolus, which is little organelle, and the DNA in shape of chromatin. In case of absence, one part of this one part of this four parts, it is not called nucleus. Okay, so when the nuclear membrane disappears, so know the meaning of the identical nucleus. So the meaning of disappearing of nucleus, it doesn't mean no nucleus with its components, the four parts. No, it means no the identical nucleus which have four parts. So nuclear membrane breaks down or disappear, and then nucleus disappear, and then the centrioles, the centrosome above the nucleus migrates to each pool, and then start each one of these two centriole for producing spindle fiber. This spindle fiber we studied during quarter one. The function of this spindle fiber is attaching to each chromosome from the middle, from the centromere, the point of connection between two chromatids of each chromosome, for helping during prophase. Okay, so again, what happens during prophase? The chromatin condense, which means change to chromosomes, finally at the end of prophase, but you can see and note the chromosome accurately in shape of X letter during metaphase, not prophase. And then the nuclear membrane disappear or breaks down, and then the nucleus breaks down or disappear, and the two centrioles migrates to each pool, and then start to forming spindle fiber.